Welcome to the Templates Performance Dashboard. This section helps to understand how your email templates behave during the warm-up process. Since Warmy uses your real templates to simulate engagement signals, this page allows you to monitor how those templates perform across different inbox providers. At the top, you can filter the data in several ways. You can select specific templates you want to analyze, or switch to the provider's view to compare how your emails perform across platforms like Gmail, Outlook, or Microsoft 365. You can also adjust the time range, such as today, this week, or this month, to track how performance evolves over time. The overall chart shows aggregated activity for the selected templates, including how many emails were sent, how many landed in the inbox, and how many were moved from spam back into the inbox during warm-up. Below that, the across providers view breaks those results down by mailbox provider. This helps you identify if a specific provider behaves differently, which can be very helpful when diagnosing deliverability differences between platforms. This page gives you a clear view of how your actual sending content performs inside the warm-up network. And if you need help interpreting these results, Adline AI and our support team are always available to help you optimize your templates for a better inbox placement.